Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to set up Worcester thermostat. Ensure your Worcester Bosch boiler is on the functioning properly. The thermostat gets power wirelessly from the boiler on mains. Press and hold the pairing button on the receiver until the LED lights begins to flash. On the thermostat, go to Settings, Device Settings and Pairing Mode, then follow the prompts. Once paired, the LED on the receiver will turn solid. Navigate to Settings, Time and Date on the thermostat display. Adjust as needed and confirm. Now go to Menu, Heating Schedule. Choose your desired time blocks and temperatures for weekdays and weekends. Most thermostat allows 3 to 6 times blocks per day. Use the up and down arrows on the dial to increase or decrease room temperature instantly. Make sure the thermostat's firmware is up to date. Always refer to the user manual for specific model. If the thermostat isn't responding or pairing, try resetting it and following the pairing process again. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.